Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing the Cobra. So for this position, we're gonna start on our stomachs and put our hands right next to our armpits. We're gonna lift up, like a snake. You can make some snake sounds. Take some deep snake breaths. Ready? Did you know that snakes outgrow their skin? Think of some things that you've outgrown. Maybe your clothes or your shoes. As you grow out of your clothes just like a snake outgrows its skin. Isn't that awesome? Let's take a couple more snake breaths. All right, thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.